Hey plant enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, a detailed care guide for the stunning purple waffle plant, scientifically known as Hemigraphis alternata. If you're looking to add a touch of unique beauty to your indoor garden, this plant is definitely a great choice. But before we dive into all the essential care tips to help your purple waffle plant thrive, let's take a closer look at the purple waffle plant. This plant stands out with its waffle-like textured leaves that come in shades of purple, green, and pink. Native to Asia, it's a popular choice for both beginners and experienced plant lovers due to its low-maintenance nature and striking appearance. Here's what you need to know if you intend to grace your indoor garden with these stunning beauties. Light requirements. First up, let's talk about light. The purple waffle plant prefers bright and direct light. It can tolerate some morning sun, but direct afternoon sunlight should be avoided as it can scorch the leaves. If you're growing it indoors, placing it near a window with filtered light is ideal. Watering requirements. Watering is crucial for the health of your purple waffle plant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Check the top inch of the soil. When it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. Ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. During the growing season, spring through fall, water more frequently, and reduce watering in the winter months. Humidity requirements. Maintaining the right humidity level is important for this tropical beauty. It thrives in high humidity environments. If your home has low humidity, consider using a humidifier or placing a tray filled with water and pebbles near the plant. This will help create the humid conditions it loves. Temperature requirements. Purple waffle plants are sensitive to cold temperatures. Keep them in a warm environment, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid exposing them to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, as it can lead to stress and damage. Ideal soil. Choosing the right soil mix is important. A well-draining, peat-based potting mix with added perlite works well for the purple waffle plant. This will prevent waterlogging and promote healthy root growth. Fertilization tips. During the growing season, feed your purple waffle plant every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to nutrient buildup and damage the plant. Pruning and propagation. Pruning helps maintain the plant's shape and encourages new growth. You can pinch back leggy stems to promote bushiness. If you're interested in propagating your purple waffle plant, it's easy to do so by taking stem cuttings and placing them in water until they develop roots. Pests and diseases management. Keep an eye out for pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant's leaves and stems for any signs of infestation. If you notice any issues, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. And there you have it, our comprehensive care guide for the gorgeous purple waffle plant. By following these tips on light, water, humidity, temperature, soil, fertilization, pruning, and pest management, you'll be well on your way to cultivating a healthy and vibrant plant that's sure to be the star of your indoor jungle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming plant care guides. Happy gardening!